We're home alone today.
Yes, we are. No one's here. Scam. I'm here and Brandon's here. And that's it.
Who's Brandon? Who's Brandon? He doesn't exist.
Brandon doesn't exist. He's just a figment of your imagination and mine. This is going to be a quick one. This is an Infiniti QX60S 3.0 turbo. It's 2017, so it's had some road abuse already. It's seen some miles. So, got a poor touch up here and here. Put my finger on it for you.
Mm-hmm. I can't see it. It's just white on white.
It's white on white. Well, take my word for it. It's poorly done. This one's also poorly done.
Oh, I see that one. Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, sick. So you can see that's kind of a shit job. So when the dealer was in possession of this vehicle, there was a slight ding on the bumper, so they had to respray the bumper and blend the fender. Couple things. They did a great job with the blend. The blend looks awesome. But, and I do mean but, there is some dirt in the clear coat. I can't do anything about that because we're not a body shop. So, during my clay barring process, I will try my best to see if I can remove some of these things. I'm not making any guarantees. I also didn't promise anything, so let's wash it.
I come and go like a rah. They don't want the two be going nah. I'm coming back with the money in the bag. The roof is in my lap, yeah, I'm running for the cash. I come and go like a round. Putting in the work like I'm way behind. Still trapping on the low, lurking in the mode like I'm running.
Drip. Like Tory Lanez, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, is it coffee time?
Sorry?
Coffee time?
Coffee time?
Yeah.
Oh, I like coffee.
You like coffee?
I do.
Coffee's good.
Where is my coffee?
I don't know.
Probably upstairs.
You know you gotta stop talking to yourself, Daniel.
Yeah, I know.
It's okay.
I have voices in my head.
What kind of coffee do you like?
Depends on the day.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What are you feeling right now?
Usually I do a double, which is 2 milk,
Okay.
2 sugar.
Damn, you basic.
Yeah. I mean, like, I'm the kind of guy that goes into Starbucks and just sits in a line for like a couple of minutes just to see what's going on, feel it out, you know? Yeah. But I let a couple of people through to like see what they're, what's going on, you know what I'm saying? And I'll be like, all right, that sounds sick.
Yeah. You gotta
Let
stop.
me get one of those.
Yo, you gotta be careful though. Because if anybody comes in and they see you talking to yourself, they're gonna judge you.
No, it's Starbucks, man.
No, I mean like right now.
Right now?
Yeah.
No, that's fine.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Home alone.
Yeah.
Do whatever it is you wanna do, Brad.
Yeah. What the heck?
Where's your coffee?
I might have finished it. There's a possibility.
No.
Yeah, it's looking like the case.
You lost your coffee.
No, I finished. I most likely
Oh,
finished.
okay. So we're gonna get coffee or what?
I mean, like, I can make one.
Okay. Well, let's do that.
Let's make a coffee.
Okay.
Your name is?
Daniel?
Daniel.
All right. Thank you very much, sir. Have a good one.
Thank you.
Go.
That's very interesting.
Oh, he decided to park in our.
No, not only that, he's using a rental truck. That's supposed to be Purolator.
And he's in a yellow. Is that a Penske?
Yep.
Huh.
Also, my box, if you can see, is a little worse for wear.
Yo, does he even work for Purolator? Like, what is going
I
on?
have no
Did he just
idea.
find the package? He's not even dressed in uniform.
I don't. No, he is. Yeah, he's got a Purolator sweater on.
Oh my god.
Just besides the point. The point is, my film's here.
Yeah, it's good that you're able to stay on track. Yeah, look at it.
We'll bring that up in a minute.
Okay.
But wow.
Oh, the film is for the Infiniti.
Yeah.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
So you gotta shut off the heater before we make coffee so that we don't shut everything out. We don't.
Yeah, I'm not trying to.
We always blow up fuse.
Yeah.
Yeah. We don't want to blow any
Trip a
fuses.
breaker. I'm not trying to do that.
No breakers tripping.
Keurig.
Ooh.
And it's on already. Look at that.
Yeah, I left it on. My bad.
Awesome. Let's see what we have. We have not coffee.
Oh, which is hot chocolate? What is that?
This is hot chocolate.
Carnation.
Rich and creamy.
Oh.
We have the best part of waking up, which happens to be Folgers in your cup. Ah, here we go.
Yeah, I didn't want to have to show the viewers that you're just rummaging through a box of coffee, but
Listen, brother, you gotta find the good stuff.
okay.
And usually the good stuff is buried. Now the question is, do I want afterburner or do I want turbocharger?
Oh, get that turbocharger.
I think I'm gonna actually go afterburner.
Afterburner today?
Yeah, fun fact, dark roast coffee, extra dark roast coffee.
Ooh.
The darker the roast, the less effective,
The less coffee it is.
the less caffeine, I guess you could say.
Okay.
So yeah,
You
this
know,
is still a dark roast,
But not as.
but not an extra
That,
dark
that would
roast.
make sense because an afterburner, it's like a bigger turbocharger.
Right? And there's a reason why if afterburners are on a jet, you're not supposed to stand behind it. Yeah,
Yo, so,
because
like-
then bad things happen to good people.
That's how it goes down, and then all of a sudden you become like a.
Toast. You become burnt toast.
Oh. You're gonna get Brandon a coffee too?
I don't know, am I?
Brandon kind of has his hands full. No.
Brandon wants a coffee?
How's Brandon gonna drink the coffee? He has his hands full.
That's a good question.
No?
Wait, no, I shouldn't make Brandon a coffee because Brandon doesn't exist.
Oh yeah, that too.
I'm going insane.
Oh, we gotta rinse the car.
You gotta let it drip.
Oh yeah, drip drip.
No.
Yes.
Yeah. See this?
What? Tim Hortons cap?
These are the OG caps.
Oh yeah, definitely. You can't even get those anymore.
Exactly. So I'm gonna let my buddy Centrifugal Force stir this coffee for me, yeah? Oh.
Show me. Oh, whoa.
Yeah.
And you gotta get that. It's scalding hot, so we're gonna wait until you drink.
Yeah, I'm just gonna
So we just made a coffee. We're not drinking it.
just not yet. So it's about that time to rinse. I dripped on myself because I'm an idiot. And loud noises in 3, 2, 1, and oh, hello. There we go. Hot water is best water.
Not from when you have a burn on your body and you try to cool it down.
No, hot water is best water, always.
You have a coffee you need to drink.
I do. I also have a car I need to wash.
What's wrong?
It says caution, hot.
Oh,
So I'm being cautious. That's good coffee.
oh, we're not home alone anymore.
The idiots are back.
Yeah.
Wow.
Hi, like a someone bit.
What he say?
Hi, like a someone bit.
Oh my god, I don't know the speak English.
Yeah, he came by. I showed him.
Oh,
I was all like, "Look, dude, your car's been repainted," and he was like, "Chaw, dude, I know."
Sea Lancer Evolution.
Quinn, you're a bit weird, aren't you?
I cannot say.
What you working on?
I'm working on doing a
Doing what?
vinyl wrap. Doing vinyl wrap.
Vinyl wrap.
Can you not hear me? Vinyl wrap.
On a Civic?
Yeah? Bro, this car's sick. I'm trying to tuck it in here so then when I choppy, it don't stretchy. You know what I mean?
Alright, sure. That's where you're at.
That's where I'm at. And then I'm doing the hard part first, and then afterwards,
Things are happening.
Okay, let it happen.
Oh, hold on,
Yep.
Talk
Okay,
your
he's
shit.
a professional. Hold on. You got it.
Go ahead, talk your shit.
Oh.
Things-
Wow. Wow. Look at him go, people.
Things are happening.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, look at that! Woo! Okay. Nah. I have not the slightest clue what I'm doing.
That's why we hired you.
I need an adult.
How do you feel? You okay over there? You reckon you're going to be able to finish this front end by today?
I mean, I could,
You
but am
okay?
I going to? Probably not.
Okay.
Closing down the sector, supreme neck protector. If you know that song, you're a real one. Brendan, do you know that song?
He doesn't. He's too old.
Huh?
Too young for that.
Do you know that song, Quinn?
Yeah, of course it is.
What is it?
I don't even know what he's saying.
These kids, man, nowadays. They
You're
don't know
literally
nothing,
the
man.
youngest one here.
Huh?
You're like a child.
I'm a child?
Yeah.
No, man.
The youngest one here.
Huh? Really?
Yeah.
If you don't know Redman and Method Man, playing yourself.
You are a red man.
See, you do know the song. Jeez.
Okay.
Y'all gonna make me lose my mind.
That's exactly how it goes. Good old wipe down here, boys. Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so I'm done for today. Car is wrapped. We're just gonna leave it under the heaters for the night, let it cook.
It literally looks no different.
Yeah, that's kind of the point, you know?
No, yeah, sure.
Yeah. So, unfortunately, the imperfections didn't really go away. I tried my best with the clay bar to remove what I could, but that's just the way it goes with an older vehicle.
You know, it is what it is, and it's not what it ain't.
Yeah, well, especially when you have something that's been repainted before, it's hard to control that, right? So
Sick. All right, well, on to the next project, right?
yeah, basically. Until next time.